In this video tutorial, I will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the new adware type application called LogarithmicChannel. LogarithmicChannel stands for a new adware. This particular adware attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. This adware shows its really intrusive ads and also may redirect the browser to a lot of dangerous websites. If this logarithmic channel adware was somehow found on your computer, definitely you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it. So to get rid of it, check your applications, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to additionally research the computer with a combo cleaner antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.